This year, the Democratic Alliance is turning 25 years old, and we are celebrating our birthday by rolling out a birthday blanket drive across South Africa. It is winter and it is very cold across South Africa, and you can join us on our blanket drive by visiting blanketdrive.da.org.za to find out the nearest place of the DA structure where you can donate a blanket. Join us in this blanket drive journey to spread warmth, compassion, and love across South Africa. The DA will make sure that these blankets are distributed to the areas where the need is the greatest. Thank you for joining us in spreading love and compassion.